Should work. Okay. Today is day 4 apparently, so I gotta update the time. Save. Seems like it's 4 then. Alright. Is it? Are you sure this is day 4 today? Buying cheap meat? And you got a problem? It's day 4, bro. Okay, so today is day 4. And for those of you who need a recap of what we did yesterday, we managed to create a tower, spawn locations, and enemies spawning from those locations. Enemies back. And today I would like to implement our first attack on enemies so that we can kill them. This is what I would like to do. That is the goal for today. And for those of you who want to see what we have done already, we have collected sprites from the internet. We have one tower in the middle. We have enemies spawning outside the circle in spawn locations, and we have them approaching and even attacking the tower. And now today, we also have them deal either magic or physical damage. That works as well. Today, however, I would like to implement... Come on. They also already have magic or art damage. We can put a check mark on that too. And today I want to make the tower attack the enemies back. That's what we're gonna do. You played Silk Road? I have played Silk Road before, yeah. Silk Road is one of my favorite games, MMO games. In order to do that, we need to take a look at our tower. And this is the attack range for our first ability. What do we need? We need a script on this first attack area. And then we need to create a scene out of this so that we can turn this into a weapon. That is the idea. And so let's first look at some of the effects that we have and then decide which one we are going to implement first. Let's see. What do we have here? Oh, these are free logos. It's my childhood MMO set that destroyed the game though. How did they destroy the game? What did they do to Silk Road? Oh my god, it's lagging like hell. What's going on? Nah, we have these fire effect raw files. I don't like that at all. Guys, is there a raw to zip converter on the internet? Probably, right? Cool. Error, you started jobs at once. Awesome. .7-zip supports raw, I think, yeah, but don't want to download that though. My man, good morning, Mr. Almeida, bro. How's it going, brother? I hope I didn't delete anything now. Cool. Let's see. Retro impact effect pack. Attack free. Assets. Impact and dash free. I think I have some cool effects from this guy right here. Sub Alinia. Hello there. Good, good. Working on the to-do list. Oh, really? You're working on that? That's awesome. Hey, good morning, guy. Live stream today. Yeah, I know. Good morning, boys. Hey, Aizen and Push. Hello, Inukai. And Joseph Brennis Campos. Hello there, bro. Thanks, Inukai. I'm learning Godot. That's awesome. Me too. We are making a tower defense game in Godot. One single tower defense game. This is VFX. This looks like a VFX designer, though, so... Let's see, general pack. What do we have? Oh wow, cool. No, this is real. Actual pixel art. Smoke. How about we make a smoke effect? And we shoot a projectile. Oh wow, this looks good. Alright, let's make a... yeah, smoke. Let's use... Where is it? There we go. How do we do this? First, the script for the lighthouse has to change, unfortunately. The tower script. Targets. Okay, we need to change this a little bit around. We need to use the on body entered method. We need to take a look at the body and make sure that we only... we can only get overlapping bodies, huh? For node and target enemy. Okay, I guess we do it like this, but hopefully we don't have too many attacks happen. What do I want to do? I want to shoot a projectile at a certain target. So I think in order to do that, we first have to create an instance, right? A child node, maybe a node 2D or an area 2D. I think an area 2D that has... this would be the projectile. And then the projectile needs a shape. And that shape is gonna be... projectile also has a sprite. And I think I wanna do a boulder. For now. Guten Morgen, Laurentio. Guten Morgen. Sorry to say this, boss, but I think your mic is a bit funky today. What am I gonna do? I wanna test something, guys. Seems like my mic is breaking a lot, safe and close. I wanna test something. Hopefully I don't regret this. Let me store some of the stuff that we need. I will restart the main computer. Do we need this still? I guess we don't. Don't need that either. We need this. And we need dev must die. Let's close a bunch of stuff. I need to make sure that I have one Firefox window open. One Edge window. And I'm gonna restart my main computer, guys. which means you will... Ha! Chrome uses 3% CPU, so it's not that, but it's remote host. Remote host uses a lot. I wonder if that's the issue. Be right back, guys. I will restart the computer. The stream will stay online, but you won't have sound, I think. Or maybe you do. I don't know. I can't read chat right now. Oh, yeah. I mean... This is very unfortunate. Am I still cutting out? Maybe, guys, can you tell me if I'm... From this point onward, right? If I cut out, could you please point it out? If the mic sounds funky or cuts out anytime. Please let me know, okay? How do I get back my last edge? Really? GG? I thought I could use the window. How do I get my recently closed windows? The mic stutter is intermittent, but I could still be from an audio buffer if your mixing console has that option in the settings. No, the mic stutter comes from remote desktop. I had literally zero stutter if I started the streaming computer normally and would access that through a second mouse, for example. And so, recently closed Windows is in your history. I don't see it. These are tabs. I don't understand. Hey? Control Shift T? No. Restore? Then you closed it in a way that didn't save them? I literally pressed the X button! Oh my god! Whatever. What is this? What is this? I just... whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. Anyways, okay, so now, please... Can't restart YouTube. Hello there. Well, hello there, bro. Okay. Sorry for the delay, guys. I Hopefully I don't have audio issues anymore. I'm going to add remote desktop again. By the way, guys, do you hear, again, if you hear another audio issue with the microphone, please let me know, okay? From this point onward. If the audio issues start right now... Yeah, remote doesn't do anything, yeah. Maybe I have to do it in a different way. Maybe we just have to no longer use remote desktop. And that's the reason why it just doesn't work. What do you use remote desktop for? To access my streaming computer. I use that to access streaming computer because I don't want to use a second mouse. Hello there. I feel like I need to take 2 or 3 days off just to figure this shit out, guys. I don't know, I just... Did you remember to normalize audio? It's very important for streamers. Hello, Lavashik. Yeah, I feel like I need 1 or 2 days at least to just sort this all out and yeah, sortieren. Okay, but let's first do a boulder here. You should try Synergy. 1 mouse and keyboard for multiple computers. Just DJ, how does it work though? If I move, let's say, one of my computers. Like, do I put down a button or something? Hello there, Solo Leveling. Good morning on YouTube. Mouse without borders. Currently I use Godot as well. Mic cuts, yes. Okay, good to know. Should use 2 mouses and stop wasting resources. But then I also have to use 2 keyboards, smiling big. And listen, look, I don't have that much space. Look here. I don't have that much space. Like, where do I put shit? Huh? Where do I put shit? Can you see that? Should I make this big? You guys can see? Let me show you. Like, it's very bad lighting quality. But look. There's not much space. Like, where would I put the second fucking mouse? And keyboard at the same time, you know? Wow, is that blurry? What a shitty camera. Come on. Go ahead. Please. Hello, I'm here. You know that the flowers are more important behind my back in the door than my face. Hello. Camera. Camera. Whatever, I'm just gonna ignore this. This is stupid. It's fucking dumb. It's fucking dumb. I use autofocus so I can show you guys something, right? But the camera is just stupid. It's dumb. It's a stupid camera. It's fucking dumb. Hello, good sir in chat. Hello, Pogu. What you need to do on a second screen, could you manage OBS through WebSockets? There are interfaces for it. What do I need to do in the second stream? I need to start and stop music. I could use a controller for that. I need to start and stop the stream. I need to look at how the stream looks. Synergy connects both PCs, so you can set the other display as a second monitor, and if your mouse is moving to the other PC, it will switch the input to the other PC. And so how does the input happen? Does it cost money? 100% costs money. It always costs money. Synergy, share mouse, across computers. Get synergy.
I think I need to make an effort to...
Yeah, okay, go fuck yourself. No. Why, guys, you know my financial situation, and I hate talking about it every fucking time. Please don't recommend to me that costs money. Please. I hate talking about this almost every day. There's an older free version. It isn't free anymore. There's an older free version fork. Okay. Where can I find that? You started a program, so that might be why. Kinda a lot now too. There's a free fork. Barrier? It's called Barrier? 3 years ago. I'm not bring this up to trigger you, just a new visitor. Is there only free for you? But there is a free only philosophical reason or a financial reason. Is the free only a, yeah, it's a financial reason. No, you don't trigger me with that. Obviously, you don't know. But what I don't like is when I have to keep talking about this. And like things like that bring that up. And especially people who have been watching for a longer time should know that. Like I can't just buy software. Especially not if it's monthly paid. Three years seems like a hot minute. It's barrier. Okay. Fine. Let's look at this. Did I download it? I did, right? Why is the download arrow disappeared? Did it go? Why does the download arrow disappear? Atch! Control J. The music is too calm for you. You need to code with some Brazilian funk. Thank you, Shepster. Okay. Thank you guys for following. Or did you unfollow? Thank you, Nya and Lijate for following. There's a pin button. But if you're really... There's a pin button if you're really skill issue. Shepster, thank you very much for following. And itch. Yeah. There's a pin button. Are you stupid? I want this to... No. I want this to always display like in Firefox. A good browser. Did you know that in Edge you can't even define your own tab? I have to use an extension so that it opens Google. Did you know that? Right click, customize. Control J. Where do I right click? Spending 30 minutes installing unknown software for a minor problem. We don't even know how to fix it.
Are you stupid, Schnibble? You are fucking dumb. We know that the issue with my microphone cutting out is because of remote desktop. And if I can have my mouse on 2 desktops, no longer using remote desktop, then the fucking problem of my mic cutting out is gone. You dumbo. Okay, bro? Now let me fucking work on this because I want this to work. Okay?
There's no sound cap. He did it and went as expected. He RMF'd his entire... Just to trigger you, have you tried Linux Kappa? Shut the fuck yeah. Day 4, I know the day 4 is passing by. Oh my god. Cakes, how's you, is this how you're gonna talk to your kid? So if your mouse is on the other monitor bound to the other PC, or your mouse input and keyboard input is carried over. Yeah, that's awesome. That's fine. I like it. I think this is actually really good. Awesome. Use it for my working laptop and home PC.
Can you add like 2 PCs?
I don't have 2 PCs, but you never know. I took down our server with my shit code, so I'm out of work. What? No. Really? Holy shit, man, that's unfortunate. Bro, are you good? That's not Pogo. That's sad. Isn't that sad? Yeah, it's been 3 hours. Oh, but I thought they fired you. You can do many, but do you use the free version, Syntax? I mean, you said a couple of minutes ago rebooting my main PC. Dutch, I did, yeah. No one seems to really care, honestly. Like, no one is mad. No, they need me. I see. Yeah, I thought you meant you got fired too. Yeah, I was like, goddamn, bro. My condolences. Exactly, yeah. Holiday for everyone, my man. Hello there. Defesmo, holiday to you, bro. Cakes, when are you going to code? I will code when I have the download button! Guys, how do I get this download here? Control W closes the page. I'm not stupid. Fucking stupid. Oh my god. Day 4 is still young, plenty of time. What are you trying to do now? Well, I have a download button that only appears when I click a fucking button. I would like this to always be here. Why is it disappearing the moment I click this off? I'm so used to go with the mouse here and then click on downloads. I don't want to do Control J all the time. Settings, appearance, customize toolbar. Fucking idiots. That's a default option that should be on. Collections button? Good. Thank you so much. Okay, we have downloaded the thing, but I'm not gonna test it out now because I literally have to plug out a bunch of cables. But thank you very much. Launch barrier. I wanna see how it looks though. Next. Server or client? Share this computer. Oh, I see. I need to set it up on both computers, correct? Finish. Do you want to enable IP address? Probably not a good idea to show this, right? Helps you establish the... Do you want to enable autoconfig and install Bonjour? This feature helps you establish the connection. Do you want to Bonjour? Mr. Amida, do I Bonjour? I don't install it. Leaked. Hey, Mr. Amida, tell me, bro. I have no idea if you can, if you want. I installed it. Can you Bonjour these nuts? Hi, guys. Remember to like and sub. True, 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 Schumann. Do you want to hi? So, Syntax, if I don't install it, then what happens? Bonjour provides a general method to discover servers on a local area network. Bonjour cheese on these... Guys. I have a fucking headache, man. Fucking hell. I think Bonjour is for auto-discover. It can't discover the thing, you need to set up everything. Okay, like, yeah, I'm gonna a new thing here, of course. Hell no. I'm not gonna do everything. Allow access? Sure, bro. Hack me. Nice. Okay, and then I can... No. I have to start? It's another fucking application I have to start every time I start the fucking computer. Can it automatically start? Why are you complaining? Because I start 10 fucking programs every time I just try to stream, where the cool thing would just be open up OBS and click start streaming. You know how easy that was when I had a fucking graphics card that was good? I didn't give a shit about a second computer. I would just use one fucking computer and click start streaming and be done. Cause that is what I want, man. I'm gonna so save up for a fucking graphics card, man. Are you a fellow AMD user? No. Anyways, let's do some coding. Sorry about this, guys. Forget what you heard. We need a rock. Like one I have in my pants. We need one of these. We need a rock to throw. This is the UI. Do we have a rock here? No. Bonjour, we watch you install a software called Guten Tag. Sounds sus. Cook it. Gothic Vania, forest files, trees, RPG caves, maybe here. All of these are Photoshop files. What do we have here? What is this? Lead? Like a lead balloon? Did you turn on hardware encoding on OBS? Yes, to offload. But the problem with streaming on one computer at the moment is my GPU is very weak. And so the computer lags. This is what happens, I'll show you. Can't even find my own video. Do I really have to find it like that? Shouldn't it find me my own video? Excuse me. This is what happens when I stream on my main computer. Cakez, did you code this yourself? 1 FPS? I'm sorry.
Find out what she's after.
Ah,
And we're in this together.
ah, goodness.
What you can. Then we'll start to kill the sun.
I get this.
We can't stop Lilith. We'll all be damned.
Hi Jova, hello there. Yeah, so this is what happened when I tried to stream and play at the same time. And this happens with Path of Exile too, by the way. I can absolutely not stream any intensive moment at all. Unfortunately. So it is the GPU that is dying when I do that. I didn't know you got Diablo running in PowerPoint. Yeah, if you grab a sprite atlas and change the pixel color, can you do provide some different sprites? Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know, to be honest. You probably are not able to do that because you are stealing the art. This is probably not correct. Not okay to do, man. Bottom left corner of your screen, rock A, PNG. True, but it's a foliage rock. It is this one here. Thank you, Luca. So I'm trying to look for a boulder that can fly. And I know I had one. Maybe we're just gonna extract all. Can I? Oh, we already did. Wonder if we can just extract them all. Shooter pack, old stone building. Extract all. I wonder. No, you can't. Of course you can't. I'm just gonna extract them all one by one then. By the way, Jova, I haven't been able to give you some work yet, but I will. Like for YouTube. So we already did that. But I can talk about that in Discord. Don't worry about it, take your time, lol. Now Jova is helping me with YouTube. Has helped me with 3 videos so far. This is already extracted. Yeah, I need a rock. I think you downloaded too much stuff, takes so long to find things. Definitely. I did. I think I'm just gonna look for a rock now, if anything. Enemy, bunny, grotto, escape, snake. Wow. There's some cool stuff in here. Spit. LOL? There's so much stuff in here. That's awesome. Lizard, boss dragon. Wow. Environments. Holy shit. Lava, rocks. God damn it. These are grounds. Tiles. Mm-hmm. Damn. I just need one rock, man. Boulder. These are all backgrounds. I think we had this, right? Yeah. Rocky Beach preview. And these are all sideways. Ship's graveyard. Wow. Damn. Sunny Rocky Mountains. Damn. God damn it. Swamp environment sprites. Thing? Oh wow, look at this. Boulder, open game art. How about this? Yeah. I think you're right. We should just search for Boulder. They don't have good boulders. That's maybe they have here. How do I find this again? Pixel art 2D. Pixel art 2D. And then we want to search for boulder. Stupid, man. How do I search for boulder now? Why can I not search for these tags and then if it is a boulder? Fucking hell, man. Oh, I hate this so much. God, is this annoying. We're gonna need a bar. Art class with cakes. God, is that annoying as hell, man. Fuck. Stupid as fuck. It's dumb. Shouldn't. Think I needed like a tiny bit of, excuse me, an outline. Have to see here if we do or not. Because this is going to be an attack. Move. Fuck my mouse. Hate this shit. Alright. It is in trees. Somewhere. Looks like a steak. Like a bad one. Just the coolest rock I've seen all year. Epic. Let's go! Okay, where the fuck is the trees? Where did I put the trees, guys? Where are the trees? Uh-oh. We almost have it. Almost have it. Trees. There we go. That's the boulder. Cakes, for more up-to-date version of Barrier, check out Input Leap. Can I just install Input Leap on top of that or not? Where's the boulder? Awesome. Right, so now, boulder. Collision shape. Well, we need to take a look. It's difficult to design this. The lighthouse. Ah, man. Can I make some... Okay. Let's get rid of those collision shapes first. This is the attack range, yeah. This doesn't have a shape yet. It's gotta be a circular shape, huh? Didn't I say circle? How did we deform this again? Pressing Alt? What do we... How can I deform this again? Oh, I see. I went into the... What is it called? But it's gotta be rotated, right? So I guess a circular collider is fine. I think I'm gonna put the sprite as part of the shape or the other way around. Okay. Why does the rock have an ass? Stop complaining about this, okay, brother? Rock looks good. It's like a boulder. Any rock fans in chat? Doesn't look anything like Dwayne Johnson. No, and the rock is also not gonna sell you anything, so it's fine. God damn, man. Actual famous person in chat. Oh, Jackie Coates. Didn't even see that. What do you mean? It doesn't. That's not a fucking ass. Okay, how do I make this projectile spawn now? Guys, I need to make it spawn from the tower. And I think I need to create a scene. This projectile needs to be a scene, right? Save branches scene. Right? Is it called branch? Oh my god, I pressed enter! Shit. Remove. Yeah, you can have a scene loaded by a path into a packed scene and then you can instantiate it. Yeah. I want to make it a scene. Guys, what did I do? Accidentally pressed okay. Control Z worked. So I want to call this boulder scene. Save. And then the first attack needs to have a script, I think. This is more complicated than I thought. Because we have this tower here, right? This is the area of the attack. So I need to create a scene here as well. So this has to go away, yes. This here needs to be a scene as well. That is the boulder weapon scene. In scenes. Save. Can I delete this now, guys? Can I say goodbye? And the game will just work. Store the scene in a preload variable at the top of the tower script. Does this work? YOLO. Blend file importers blend. It looks like it worked. Okay, cool. Which means we can now load this here at the top. Let's see here. We take the boulder scene. Oh wait, we do control, right? Var bowl. No wait. Boulder weapon. We need the boulder weapon. Yeah. Var boulder weapon. Is this. Cool. But what do we do? Do we instantiate it? In run, we just instantiate it and add it as a child. Var boulder is... The reason why I'm doing it like this, I will have a list of weapons in, I think, some sort of dictionary on the tower. And then each of those weapons that are... No. And then whenever we add a weapon to the tower, we just instantiate it to the tower. I think. We keep a list or something. Instantiate will return a node which you can add child. Yeah. In my game, my tower has a standalone scene. Is a standalone scene. And I store the projectile that fires... That it fires as an exported variable. Okay. The first thing we just wanna attack a couple of enemies with this boulder. Oh, let's see. Actually, I should use an arrow first, but let's do a boulder then. I wonder if it has like AoE. Shoots in a certain position and then it just is AoE around everyone. Dot instantiate, right? Oops, this is not Vim. And then we do add child boulder. This will later be automated using a list of weapons that we can, like, for example, exactly like here. No, not here. Exactly like here. You know, every time we upgrade one of these, the weapon is going to be added to this guy. It looks like the boulder just attacks one. But it happens, or it fires multiple boulders. And it doesn't do AoE damage, right? Does it? It's difficult to see. LOL. No, it's gonna... Some of them deal AoE damage. Okay. Boulder is AoE or splits into smaller rocks. I think what I do is I target one unit, I hit that unit, and then I just deal AoE damage around. I wonder how you deal AoE damage in Godot. Is there like a deal AoE damage function in Godot, guys? That just takes in some sort of layer? Probably not, right? We have to get all overlapping bodies. Area 2D for AoE damage. So I make an area 2D on the impact. There's a function if you want to make one. Okay. Well, we start very simple by just dealing damage. Shut the fuck up, okay? It was a question. Could have been. You never know, okay, brother? Now that we have the boulder itself needs to be loaded. Boulder weapon. Okay, so it is just this circle here, and the boulder weapon needs to have a script. And by the way, why would it put the scripts in scenes if I have so far saved every single script in scripts? Is there like a way for me to boulder weapon GD script set a default one? Default path? Doesn't look like I can, huh? Yeah, I can't. You could put enemies. You could put any enemies that you want to take the AoE damage on a special collision layer. So you don't have to do any fancy logic when you try to get the overlapping bodies. Oh my god. Yes, we have magic enemies. And we have... But should that be? I think I just want to attack all the enemies. They just are more resilient to magic attacks or physical attacks. I think that's what I'm gonna do. If I attack a magic enemy with a magic weapon, I just deal less damage. The target priority is just gonna that it targets the opposite. Okay, let's get a boulder here. How do I make a boulder fly now? I want this boulder to fly towards enemies. And I guess I need a function for that. I don't know. Move towards. No, I need to instantiate a boulder and the boulder itself should fly. So I need another script after this. This is just... Wait, is this the boulder? This is the weapon. The weapon spawns boulders. How do I do this? Do I like spawn underscore boulder? And then we say boulder scene dot instantiate. And then var boulder And then we do boulder.target is something. And then we have code on the boulder. Something like this. And then we open up the boulder scene, which is just the fucking boulder. And then we add a script here that has a target. Do we do it like this? Is that how you do proper Godot? Or am I doing it wrong, guys? You probably don't know either, right? Let's call it boulder underscore project. Create. I'm gonna name it as well. You guys don't know either, right? Oh, I love this. Awesome. Yeah, absolutely no idea. Var a target is an enemy, which by default I guess is null. Does that work? And then if target, I don't know, Q3. Does that work if target is null? I'll go to proper. I would probably do something like direction, distance to target, offset spawn location by that direction, size boulder, and set it velocity to something like direction times speed. I think DLAUE damage is in the single tower defense package. I have a function that I use to create projectiles if you're interested in seeing that. Sure. But you have to come over to YouTube, Jova, to link it, because YouTube is dog shit. It doesn't allow links. Hey! Wow! Achso. Colon. Yeah, true. Okay. Well, we could do this, right? Oh, it's an area. Can we move? From to? Guys, how do I move the projectile now? It's based on Warcraft 3 custom map. Didn't Blizzard implement some weird rules so the next Dota 2 does not escape them? I thought about this too, but just not. Let's not talk about this, okay? Okay, bro. Just please not talk about this. Look, think about it like this. Think about it like this. I'm gonna sell the game, right? I'll try to make the game, then sell the game, and then Blizzard is gonna maybe sue me or not, and then I'll farm drama by shitting on Blizzard that they attack small indie creators. I'll get a video for making the game. I'll get a video for showing how much money I earned with the game. I get the recognition of being a game developer, finally. And I can farm drama. Yeah, that's 4 videos, man. Free content, yeah. Right? I need to close the window. Shit. Worst case, you end up broke again. True, true. Yeah. Hope it pays for the suit itself. Wondered where that breeze was coming from. What do you mean? You're not in my room. What are you talking about? How do I move now? I have a function that I use to create projectiles. If you're interested in seeing that, you could make the boulder one of the physics body types instead of an area. Sounds good. Just get up. What did you guys tell me about moving? Position divided by global position. Move toward is kind of like lerping. Area is not really for moving, but you could change the position property, yeah. But if I move the area, then it will not collide, right? It is not gonna collide, is that correct? Man, it is so much easier in C++, guys, let me tell you. For those of you who think that something like this is easy, you wanna see fucking easy code? I'll show you. I'll fucking... There we go. We get a projectile. We travel. Well, how about we, you know, we calculate the speed over time. And then whenever we have changed the position of the projectile, so it's like 2 lines of code, then we loop over the targets of the projectile. These are the colliders, right? The collision layers. And then we just do a simple collision check. Okay, and so what I'm stuck with, this right here, this one piece of line of code that I'm stuck with, because in Godot I have an area 2D, which means it is not a physics body, which means I don't have move and slide, which means, okay, so which of the functions available to me actually work together with physics? Because if I use the wrong function, then it's not gonna work, right? It's not gonna collide. The collision detection will not work. Correct? Or am I wrong on this? Just try it? Yeah, well, try what? Do I set the velocity? Do I set the position? Position plus equals? Like it's already, like I just want to do this, man. I just want to do this, brother. Like this is all I want to do, bro. God, somebody set the door.
Galeria Kaufhof hat Insolvenz angemeldet. Also die haben auch in Sale. Also 40 €, ne? Kannst du auch. Als ich deine Schuhe gesehen habe und deine Hose, habe ich gedacht, die sind doch in Ordnung. Ich habe sie jetzt anprogrammiert. Und wie gesagt, den würde ich dann einlesen mit so die hinterher völlig nicht mehr. Ja, Papa hatte mir. Aber jetzt, er hatte einen Schaden gemeldet, den hatte ich bezahlt. Da habe ich hier nicht, das überweisen, sondern das
Er guckt sich das Samstag an. Ja, aber das war nicht nötig.
Nee, aber weil dass du mal den Dienst kaufst. Weil ich habe gesehen, wenn die schon mir diesen Falten werfen, das Geräte da drin. Diese LSD, das Langfahren, die ist halt schon da. Das sieht Käse aus. Kannst du das ist eigentlich sauer, ne? Und wie läuft das? Hast du denn diese eine Woche, die
Nächste Woche.
also was du schwierig.
Das wird schon, das wird nicht mehr so besser. Bin jetzt auch
Ja, ist gut, ich wollte dich auch nicht. Ich habe mir gedacht, vielleicht hörst du es auch. Ach, ist das hier umgehüllt? Ah, das sieht ja auch gut. Das sieht ja auch gut aus, ja. Ja, das geht auch. Ja gut, ich halte dich nicht länger auf. Ich kann weiter streamen. Ich weiß nicht.
Alles gut.
Ja, deine Arbeit. Also dann hoffen wir, ich hoffe jetzt, dass wir alle gesund wieder.
Ja, also wann fahrt ihr in Urlaub?
Ja, er sagt Samstagnacht, aber im Grunde genommen ist es dann schon Donnerstag. Ich hoffe nur, dass ich ihn nicht falsch verstehe gerade. Muss man mal hingehen. An den Kalender. Also,
Okay, aber vielen Dank. Da ist das trotzdem zu schätzen.
ja, wie gesagt, ich finde es schon wichtig, dass du eine vernünftige Dienst hast. Was auch immer du brauchst.
Komm gut nach Hause, ja? Are you working, son? I linked it on Twitch too. Oh, I'm sorry. I totally forgot about that, Jova. Let me check it out. Taxman. No, it was not the taxman. It was my mom. She wanted to check how it is, how it's going. Okay, let's see. Hey Cakez, thank you for your daily streams. It's such a source of inspiration. People may make fun of you sometimes.
They're fucking dumb. They're stupid idiots, man.
But you are a very clever and a skilled person. This message... Ah, shut the fuck up, bitch. Fuck off. Fuck you. Shut the fuck up, you fucking cunts. Okay, anyways. Fucking assholes. There are a couple of variables that you have to replace. Velocity. Oh, okay. What is your projectile? Is it an area or is it a body or something? I'm gonna ban your ass. I'm gonna ban you guys. By the way, area will actually detect collision if you change its position, but using a physical body. Good day, Ashen Ops. Hello. Very nice first message. L moment. Yeah, that was an L moment. I kinda destroyed my keyboard then. Yep. It was stupid. I know. Those two. This is the function in the projectile itself. Velocity. Rotation. Velocity. Dot rotated rotation. Why is it always so difficult with you guys? Or am I just dumb? For me, it's just position. Like projectile? No, actually, dot look at. No, look at a vector. That would be the direction, right? So basically, we do this. Vector 2. Vector 2. I'm gonna look at the code in a second again, okay? Guys, don't get triggered. I know that you get triggered every time. Please. I'm gonna look at the code of Java in a second, okay? Okay. Direction. Direction is my global position minus the target dot global position. Right? That is the direction. Normalized. 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 How do we do this? Dot normalized? Now, obviously, something is wrong. Guys, what is wrong? Oh, I see. Yeah, it's... yeah, of course. Var_dir is a vector 2. Now, what are you complaining about again? Let's get rid of the... Oops. Normalized? Okay, cool. And then I can look at the direction. Right? Text editor red. Yeah. Isn't that correct? How do I normalize this, by the way, guys? Lookat is actually by position, global. No, lookat takes a position. Ah, oh, that's better. Then target dot global position. Thank you. Cool. God, I love this. Damn. Yes. And this is rotating it. You do dot normalized. You spelled it wrong. Oh, I see. I spelled it wrong. That's fine. Man, my mom is too fucking nice. Too nice. 50% chance to crash rate, what, Cakez? Isn't that a good thing? Too bad you didn't have more time for... Yeah, I could have ended stream. True. Yeah, gotta visit her soon. Keep in mind though, you only have to calculate the direction once that a projectile is created, unless you want the projectile to follow the target. I think I'm gonna make the projectile follow the target for now. The thing is, Jova, you're right. But since the enemies run towards the tower, I think it works, because if I make the projectiles reasonably fast, it won't make a difference. The thing that I'm a little bit scared about is the projectiles have like this curve to them. They fly up and down. This is gonna be difficult to make. I want that too, because it looks really cool. Like, you know, Warcraft 3 on its own, it's just so fucking good already. And it's such an old game, and they fucking had to destroy that game. Now, how do I move? Should this be physics process, or do we not have that? Is this better? They destroyed Warcraft 3? Yeah, you cannot go into Battle.net anymore in Warcraft 3. Start Warcraft 3 right now. Try to join Battle.net, you can't. You have to pay money to get Warcraft 3 reforged. All nodes have physics process, okay. Okay. And I think we're going to connect a method here. The on... This is where we have to take a look at the enemy ghost again. Spread out shape. Spread out shape. A character body has a spread out shape. I think we want to have an on body entered method for the boulder. Body entered to the projectile, which if body is enemy, yeah guys, then deal AoE damage, right? That's a function that works, right? Let's do 100. I'm gonna kill all enemies. Make sure you have collision layer for enemies that the boulder is on. Yeah, thank you, Jova. Fuck, where's the enemy on? It's on layer 1 and 3. I think we want 3. So mask, right? We only want to mask with 3. Mask the projector to layer 3. Okay, thank you. Cool. Thank you. Guys, we have a boulder. We just need to spawn it now. Somehow. And we need to set the target. Guys, am I doing this correctly? Boulder target. Spawn boulder. We have a spawn boulder on the boulder weapon. In the lighthouse we have tower. A boulder weapon. We instantiate that boulder weapon. And when our attack timer is, then for all the targets, for every enemy, we do boulder dot spawn. Fuck. Boulder weapon. It's called boulder weapon. It's called spawn boulder. Guys, how can I make this a little bit more type safe? This sucks. Because first and foremost, where's the boulder? Boulder weapon scene. Define custom class names. Nice AI algorithm. The thing is, Cakez. Is it Cakez? Cakez? Look at the code I sent you. Create. These two functions are in an auto run file. You can put them anywhere. Create scene, packed scene, parent, instance, instantiate, parent, add child. Instance.global position is vector 0, return instance. Create projectile. Projectile scene, parent tower, shoot position, vector 2, rotation degrees. Okay, I have this rotated based on the target. Then we create a new scene on the parent. And we set the position to the shoot position and rotate it to the target and then set the velocity. Not sure what set velocity does. It uses max speed, I guess. This is how I move the projectiles. I run this in the physics process. Speed, position plus transform, x times speed. Distance traveled Q3. Yeah, that's actually what I have in my game too. Cool, man. Cool. Code is simple. See, great minds think alike, guys. Set velocity, shoots rock. So every new projectile will create a new scene? No. No. We have a boulder scene here and we have a var boulder weapon. Which is, I guess, null by default. And then we assign the boulder weapon. Using the instance of the scene. Right? And then when we want to attack, we take the boulder weapon. And we spawn a boulder on the enemy. Or giving it the target of the enemy. We can add it as a child as well, but yeah. Set velocity just sets the speed of the rock and the rotation towards the target. Hello, Skizcat. Hello there, bro. On YouTube. Welcome, bro. Futuristic boulder. And then we don't inflict damage anymore. And I suppose we just break for now. Can we break like this, like in C++? We break after one target. Which means in spawner, I'm spawning one enemy every second. Or every 0.5 seconds. Guys. This doesn't work the first time. It doesn't work the first time. But it could. It could work. I'm scared to start. Shit, how do I lock this again? How do I lock this? Guys, how do I lock this? Am I stupid? Ah, here. There we go. I wanna bet my points. Fine. We have ads anyways. Let's do a bet prediction. You didn't add the child, so we're gonna... Yeah. Prediction. No, 5-minute ad when you plan to test it after the prediction. How is it 5 minutes? I'm gonna quickly check over the code one more time. So that we don't do anything dumb. Let's start with the tower. We have the boulder weapon scene. We add the boulder weapon as an instance. And then we call boulder weapon.spawn boulder on an enemy. The boulder weapon is just a collider that is loading a boulder. And the spawn boulder just doesn't add a child to it. It doesn't add a boulder as a child. Of course, it doesn't add a boulder. Yeah, it's adding a boulder after instantiating it from the scene and setting the target. And thank you, Gemsb, for subscribing. I can't. Why do you? I can't. Control L to look. Control L. Line number? Dan? Dan, not Den. It doesn't add a child. Okay. This is what we're gonna do for the next couple of days, by the way. We are going to add in a bunch of different weapons that all have cool impact effects and, excuse me, and, you know, sprite effects and explosions and all of that. That's what we're gonna do. In the scene tab with the node selected. Control L. To lock. I see. It doesn't work. Maybe I have defined it in a different way. Maybe I have a defined on it. Saved. I'm a regular believer. Cakez, don't let me down. Is the prediction over? Let's look at the prediction. Open it. Okay, so this is the prediction. 93% of you guys think... It's not actually that many. Only 3 people and 2 people participated. You guys are fucking lazy. I believe in your Cakez. 0% chance it works the first time. Just wait. You know, just wait. The weapon instantiates a boulder, adds the child to the boulder. The boulder has 100 damage. In the physics process of the boulder, we look at our target and we fly towards the target. And when we enter a body, we inflict damage. And we queue Nix. Thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate the support. Thank you very much. Look who's flexing. I'm not wasting my 94k points. Didn't click because stressful blight map. Oh man, I wanna play Path of Exile as well, man. Q3. Whenever we deal damage, we Q the projectile. I'm starting. Hey! Dude! It's shooting a boulder! But it's spawning too many. Hey, how is it spawning that many? It's working, yeah, it's working. Easy, yeah, easy. I wonder why it's always, it's not sorted. Why just in one direction? It seems always, yeah, I don't know why. And also global position doesn't work anymore. What is that? No target. Q3. Return. But it works, so who cares? I think Doubters won. No. I wonder if it's always targeting the wrong one, though. However, it's also targeting side ones. Look at this. It's working. You missed nothing. Boulder is hitting, so it works. Yeah, it actually works. It works, guys. Which means we can make the attack tamer. Like, attack timer, not tamer. Sounds like dog tamer. 0.5. It should pick a random target, in my opinion. It should do targets, not sort them, but pick a random one maybe. For now. Awesome. Pick the closest one, but spawn way less to see. I feel like they spawn too much. I have a feeling that my spawning system is not correct. Because I'm spawning one. It's instantiating one. Then it does spawn timer minus frequency. It spawns one every second. This is too many. You see how many spawn? We can also attack the closest one always, yeah. That makes sense. Why isn't it spawn system timer? Not that it matters, I think. I think it's spawning too many here. What am I doing wrong? Do you guys see the problem? I don't. Maybe it's this for loop. But did my chat just flicker? Happened for me too, actually. Now, is there a way like to have a watch window here? Locals. It's really annoying. I want to look for I. I is 0 at the moment. No, it goes outside. Eh? Oh, it's looking at the boulder. And it even spawns a boulder. Wait, it spawns a boulder? What are you using to make waypoints? I just make the enemies run to the tower. There are no waypoints. The only thing that I do is I have spawn locations that are hard-coded based on the side map. Very simple. And then I have sub-locations that if I spawn 5 enemies in one location, I place them like neatly in a pack. You compare with 0.5 but decrease by 1. Thank you. Yeah, that is dumb. Thank you very much. This should be on the boulder weapon, by the way. The weapon should have a variable. All of them should have the same variables, by the way. All. Let's make sure that we program this in a way that we can extend this. All weapons should have these stats. We have an attack timer, which is a float. By default it's 0. And we have an attack delay, which is another float. By default that is 1 second. And I think this code for the tower should be on the weapon itself, actually. But for now we just do boulder weapon dot attack delay and boulder weapon dot attack timer, which also means here we use the timer on the boulder weapon, and then we do boulder weapon attack timer minus equals boulder weapon dot attack delay. There we go. That should work. You can enforce the have this variable pattern by having a base class and then making weapons extended. Yes, but isn't a base class also a node? I think this is very confusing in Godot. Because we have a tower, for example, or a static body. A what class? A node. A node, Coffee Lava. I think it's a node. Okay, why is my spawn system broken? It should create me one instance and then remove from the timer. What is the frequency? 0.5. Maybe it's actually correct. Let's do 1 every 2 seconds. Maybe Gazen, you're right. I wonder how far this game would be if Cakez was using Cakez engine. Maybe further along. Stormtrooper aim. Okay, we need to make it... I think it works. I think they spawn too much still. Let's see. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Yeah, okay. I'm a little bit slower than... Okay, but it's working. Good. Which means... compare enemies. Do we do the length? this. Does this work? I fucking hate Godot, man. What is the issue, bro? Missing a... You sure? Yes, you're right. Ha. Cool. Now it's taking yeah, it's should always attack this should always attack the closest one. Let's see, we take a target and the targets, and then we spawn a boulder on the target. Spawn a boulder, and then we break out for now. Let's see. Am I in the way? I kinda am in the way. I do feel like the boulder was going at the opposite direction. Let's see. It's attacking the furthest target, so maybe I have to do this. Change this one right here. That could be it.
Does the fucking sword function even work?
Does it work or not? What is this? Is it sorting the enemies or not? I'm taking literally the first fucking enemy in the targets. It's not sorting them. That's dumb. Inverted. I changed that already. It was this before. Huh? Like, I changed this multiple times. If valid enemy, then... No, all the enemies are valid and minus in return. Where are you shooting at? Are you stupid? What is it shooting at? Times equals -1. Hä? Maybe multiply that by -1. Oh, wait. You think that... I see. You think I need to take this the other way around? Target minus global position? Like this? Yes? Oh, I hate math, man. Fuck you. Every fucking time. I wrote this like 5 million times and oh. Skip the song? I cannot skip the song. Oh my god.
Now, how do we add an arc to it now? How do we add an arc?
Huh? How do we give it an upwards velocity and a downwards velocity? Using a path I read earlier. Poof. Poof. Using a path of exile. If you use interpolation for the movement, adding an art should be fairly easy. You want the direction, it's target to minus. If you want the direction, it's target to minus origin. Aha, physics. How are they launch a boulder? How are they able to launch a boulder half the size of the tower so easily? We don't ask these questions around here, Aizen, okay, bro? Stop asking these useless questions, okay? It is a game. Draw a parabola. If you use interpolation, what does it work? It's really cool to watch, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Watch this, guys. Watch this. I have a cool idea. Watch. Our first progression. We spawn 2. Oh no, wait! It needs to start on 30. Go until 120. Oops. Watch this. After 30 seconds, they spawn more. Poof, poof. Can you make the tower shoot naked gnomes? Poof. 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 Didn't I say that you spawn too? Oh. My if condition is... What is going on? Thank you very much for following, Jimmy and Cakez. There are two ways. One, make it like real physics with mass and velocity. Make some ballistic for each shot. I don't know. Kinematic body to deer is your friend for the arc. Should we watch? I think I need to watch a tutorial for this. Cakes, can we get random spawn positions? Let me see if we want random spawn positions, brother, okay? Now, please take a look at the enemies approaching, right? Please take a look. I saw some enemies approach here. I see an enemy approach here. And here. 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 Nothing here at the moment. Here. Do we need random spawn options? Here. Here. Let's see here. Here again. I think they have 8 points. The answer is no. First and foremost, I don't fucking know the math. And second... Stack Overflow, ballistic curve problem. I don't want to do a C++ ballistic curve, brother. I want to do the simplest version. See, I thought about the following. Watch. I do... a... You do know the math? No, I don't. I keep forgetting the math, man. I have no idea. I don't know how to do an arc. If you guys have any resources on how to do an arc in Godot, feel free to let me know. I have absolutely no clue. I don't know. I'm just gonna move on. For the arc, you find the midpoint between the target and the tower. Grab the cross product for these two vectors, scale it with a value. This will give you a perpendicular vector to the target one, and the midpoint, use that. 80 nikes. I really appreciate that, but I think that's a little too much for me. The midpoint, very informative. That is very informative, yeah. Add it to the midpoints and use that to interpolate the middle. Instead of arc, increase the rock size and then increase the rock size. Will make it look like it's going up and down. Simple arc, set travel time based on initial distance. Then lerp from tower to enemy. Offset the boulder by some amount based on interpolation factor. Oh, you mean here? By the way, when does this ready function happen? I guess we could do this. Var height. Over time. If you have a Discord server, I can send a code example. Yeah, sure. I have a Discord. Yeah, thank you, cheeseburgers. Height over time is 0. Actually, I have an idea. This is a Godot tutorial. Have a look. That link shows arc shot. Kinematic, great tutorial. Christian, I don't get links in YouTube chat, unfortunately. YouTube doesn't allow links for some reason. Sorry about that, bro. I would love to watch that tutorial, but maybe you can give me the title for the tutorial that you have. But that's the ID. Hey, thank you very much, Panda Coda, for gifting a sub to cheeseburgers. Thank you, man. Cakes, you have more viewers when you're doing Godot. Yeah, I'm expecting as much. Godot is more popular than C++. Use a Bezier curve with lerp, that will make it work very nicely. Yeah, but how do I compute that? I would do that, but I have done this before. I literally have a collection of clips where I tried to do that. And it took me a week. Can you check my code example in Discord? Sure. Is it Godot code? Probably not, right? Where's Godot? Where's Discord? Where is there? I'm reading the message off stream. Hi. Programming? Code example for ballistics. Extends rigid body to the var speed. Initial speed of the projectile. Angle. Degrees. Initial angle. Radians. Velocity. Function ready. Set fixed procedure true. I don't know what that means. Is that important? Fixed process. Velocity y plus equals move and collide. Velocity times delta, move the projectile. It's never gonna work that easily, bro. It's never gonna work that easily, isn't it? There's absolutely no way it works this easily, man. What did it do? Fixed process. I don't know if that's important, but I'll keep it. Cool, but I don't have a direction in which to shoot, bro. Like, where is the target that we fly towards? Godot arc projectile target shoot. Thank you, title. Thank you very much, Christian. Let me see. Oh, 18 minutes, man. 18 minutes and really? For a Godot tutorial? Game world? Who gives a shit? Projectile script? Projectile collision? So it's basically these two parts here. Education time. We'll look at this after the fact. Just add an angle path to builder. Why is this complaining now? Hä? 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 Different indentation? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me, man? Control Shift L? Doesn't work. Not L. I. Dude, would be cool if you could like actually provide a working example. Cause or am I wrong? That's old code. Degree to grad. Degree to radians. G radians or radians? What is G radians? Is that the OG radians? No? Okay. Read the error, Cakez. Set fixed process not found. So probably not this. Then physics process, right? But we don't... we do have a collide here. Cool. And then how do I comment out in one line? Of, is there a way to toggle comment? Control K. Cool. That works. Do we still have... I don't have a physics object. I have move and collide don't work. Yeah, skip the bullshit at the beginning. Cakez, you have been working on this for years. It's gonna be so awesome. You need to extend the thing it does. Rigid body. No. There's no way this works, bro. This is an area. This is not a rigid body. It's crypto. Yeah, and it needs to be a rigid body, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna break. I'll do it. Fine, I'll do it. How do I change it? Change type. It's gonna break 100%. 100% it's gonna break. And the on-body entered method is not gonna work. 100. Right? I just fucking love this shit, man. Oh, man. Is that a loaf of bread? Ah, shut the fuck up. At least it's rotating. That's awesome. Hey, cool. It's trying to push these enemies away. Obviously, it's throwing out fun. Oh, man. Guys, it is not... It had ballistic XD. Looks dope to me. No, it can't be a rigid body. It cannot push enemies, guys. Bad move choice. Yeah, rigid body is not good for a top-down game, guys. We need to do it in code. We need to simulate this, you know. It needs to be a real simulation, some sort. Okay, undo. Did you just fucking detach the script? Holy. It just needs to look like it's arcing. Yeah, we need it to look like it's arcing, guys. This is the important part. You could area as a child of it, the rigid body. Guys, we just need to make it we just need to make it look like it's arcing. So all we need to do literally is change the Y position over time. That is all. That's all we have to do, really. So for example, it probably doesn't work, right? Position.y plus equals delta time. Where does sign start, by the way? It's gonna be fun if that... This is gonna be so fun. Oh, this is gonna be actually... This is gonna be so real, so funny. Please. Please, it's gonna look so good. Please. Please. This is gonna be so fucking good. Come on, man. He's cooking. Come on. Hey, why does it not work? Huh? Oh, because look at. You did plus but not plus equals. Ah, yeah. And then can we also look in a direction? How do we look in a direction, guys? How do I take the direction and make it look into that direction? To simulate height, you can adjust the scale and then down. No, it needs to move up and down physically. Maybe using a sine wave. Can I use the direction to look at? Like this? It's just... It's gonna be great. Okay. It actually works. It actually works. Wow. Maybe we use cosine. This is so good, man. It works. Boing. Oh, this is awesome, man. Boom. This looks so beautiful. Yeah. Doof. And down it shoots very fast. Oh man, I just love this. This is great. Wow, it hits both of them. Lol. This is cool. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to do. We'll see. Okay, we will see. I have a fucking headache. Maybe related to the mold in the room. I have absolutely no idea, but I have a fucking jarring headache. So I'm gonna raid. Cakez is not online. I think I'm gonna raid devs budgets, guys. Yeah. I need to relax. If you guys have a cool resource to look at for simulating a projectile like this, would be cool if you could link. If not, we'll figure it out tomorrow. Okay, guys? Let me see here. Anyways. Coffee Lava? Is Coffee Lava online? He's not. So we're gonna raid devs budgets. I hope you enjoyed the stream, guys, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you, guys. I hope you had fun. Today was day 4. We managed to add boulders to the game and projectiles flying towards enemies. Very happy and proud of the progress that I made today. And tomorrow we will try to get the projectile curve correctly on day 5. We'll try to polish that. Stop at 48 seconds of that video. Christian, I'm gonna watch the video off stream. I appreciate that you linked it. I just don't feel like watching it right now. I need a small break. Anyways, guys, see you all tomorrow. And say